Let me now give you the COVID-19 situation as of today. Over the past 24 hours, we have tested 2,892 samples, of which 72 tested positive for coronavirus. This now brings the total number of positive cases to 2,093, while the total number of samples tested so far is 82,946. If we break down the distribution of these 72 positive cases by county, the picture is as follows. Nairobi at 39 cases, Busia 13 cases, Mombasa 8 cases, Kajiado 4 cases, Migori 3 cases, Kiambu 2 cases, Garissa 2 cases, and Kisumu 1 case. The cases are distributed in the sub-counties as follows. The 39 cases in Nairobi are from Kibra, 16, Embakasi South, 8, Ruaraka, 5, Westlands, 5, Langata, 2, Embakasi West, Starehe, and Dagoretti North, 1 each. In Mombasa, the 8 cases are from Mvita, 2, Changamwe, 2, Kisauni 2, and Likoni and Nyali 1 each. The 4 cases in Kajiado are from Namanga Border Point 3 and Kitengela 1. In Migori, all the 3 cases are from Isebania Border Point, while the 2 cases in Kiambu are from Githunguri. In Garissa, the 2 cases are from Garissa Town, while in Kisumu, the 1 case is from Kisumu Central. In terms of gender distribution, 50 of these 72 cases are male and 22 are female. Age-wise, the youngest is 11 years old and the oldest is 73 years old. Today, and it is always something to delight in when you have a recovery, we are delighted to inform you that 17 patients have been discharged from our various hospitals. This now brings to 499 the total number of those who have so far recovered from the disease.